welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, you are most definitely welcome. And my name is Blessing, in case you're just seeing me for the first time. So in today's video, I am going to be wearing a red hair. So guys, today I'm just going to be trying on this wine color hair. So I've never worn any color hair before. Like, I don't like color hairs. I feel like they make me look ugly. So I've never ever worn any color hair before. So today I'm just going to try out this wine color hair here. And this hair that we're going to be using for today's experiment is from Unice hair, and it was originally a gold color hair. So I decided to turn it into wine color because I just love the way it looks. So guys, this is the hair, and it's a 24-inch Peruvian hair. So I'm going to be trying out this hair today, and I really hope that this hair will really fit me. At least, you know, I've never used a colored hair before, so let's see if this hair will suit me. So guys, I created this I colored this hair like this, and if you want to know how I did that, I'll try and make another video to show you guys how I did it. And it came in a bundle, 3 bundles and a closure, and this is a very long closure here. So the hair is very soft and it doesn't shred, guys. Like, it's so perfect, like so good. So guys, I'm just going to create a look for this hair. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, okay? So without wasting your time, let's just start. So guys, the lashes I'm going to be wearing for this look is from Red Cherry Eyelashes, 100% human hair black. This one. Yeah. Just to mention that the shade I'm wearing is 187. 187. So guys, before my lashes will be ready, so they are drying right now, so we are going to just put our wigs on. I'm just going to put my wig on. So this is how it looks inside, and it has a strap, an adjustable strap here. So I'm just going to wear it now. So guys, this is the finished look, and I hope you like it, because I'm really loving this color right now. I think it looks good on me. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, if I should wear more of color hair or natural colors like black or color 1B. But I really love this wine color right now. I didn't know that I was going to like it anyways, but it makes me look so sexy and beautiful, and I like it. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and also let me know what you think in the comment section, if I should continue wearing color hairs, like, you know, try out some more color hairs like this. Just let me know in the comment section, and thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, bye.